I've been in the biopharmaceutical industry for about 25 years now. I started my journey with nanomedicines when I was a student doing a co-op term here at a company in Vancouver. I was there for several years after that once I graduated, and then I resumed my journey in nanomedicines when I joined what is now Cytiva Nanomedicine in 2021. My specialty is in quality assurance and anything and everything related to compliance for making drug products. I think one of the big challenges these days is the regulatory guidance and understanding what is necessary and expected to bring a drug through development and commercialization for use in patients. Quality assurance, quality control, it all comes together to form the package that's required to support a drug product. The Nanomedicine Center will offer an end-to-end solution from development through to the GMP manufacturing of clinical products for our customers. We ensure consistency and quality through the testing during development and then transfer those methods into quality control so that we can do in-process testing and final release testing of those products before they're released to the clinical sites. In terms of quality assurance, we're developing systems that will enable us to be compliant with many regions around the globe to better facilitate any regions where customers might want to hold their clinical trials. Some of the controls that we leverage for the manufacture of the drugs is through the control of the facility, having master batch records that define the critical quality attributes, the sampling and testing required, everything from the incoming raw materials to inspections and testing of that drug product before it goes out the door. We have a great analytical development team that spends the time to get to know the molecules that they're working on and develop methods that are specific for the attributes that we need to measure and report on. I think the Cytiva Nanomedicine Center brings a group of people together that has some great experience, not just in the pharmaceutical industry and in GMP manufacturing, but with a strong technical mindset and experience in the nanomedicine industry. So you really get to collaborate with this team of people to bring your dreams of your nanomedicine to the population. Well, yeah, within the new facility we'll be much more closely located, and we'll have all the latest and greatest technologies to help us develop the methods that are needed to characterize and analyze the products that we're making.